Hi everyone, and yes, here. Now I'm going to do another focus wheel like I did yesterday, and this time it's on the relationship topic. So this is going to be today for brand new relationships, and the next one will be for specific people. I'll do that one tomorrow. So again, using the focus wheel principle from Abraham Hicks, and I'm going to be using wouldn't it be nice if, so it is easier for your belief system to absorb it. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. In the middle we've got I'm in the best relationship, so that's what we're aiming for. Okay, and we're going to move around this. I've pre-written this so it's easier, but you would do it, one cubicle at a time and see how you feel when you actually write it. If you kind of go, oh, I can't believe that, then that's not a good one for you. Okay, so keep adjusting in regards to how you respond. Okay, so the first one, I am in a loving, nurturing relationship. Okay, how does that feel? Do you kind of go, oh, doesn't work? Then add in wouldn't it be nice if. Okay, wouldn't it be nice if I am in a loving and nurturing relationship? Number 2, wouldn't it be nice if we cared for each other equally? Again, using wouldn't it be nice if to make it easier for your belief system to believe it. Wouldn't it be nice if we do fun things and laugh a lot together? Wouldn't it be nice if we only have eyes for each other? And the next one, wouldn't it be nice if we both are secure and committed? And then in the middle, you get there and it says, I am in the best relationship. And again, use wouldn't it be nice if. Oh, wouldn't it be nice if I am in the best relationship? So it is a very simple little template to use. And it is a template to use when you struggle to believe affirmations. And it is a nice, easy way for you to change your state, as Neville says, and be in the vortex, as Abraham Hicks says. Okay, so I will put the playlist for brand new relationships and anything to do with brand new relationships in the description below. I'll pop up a few here next to my head as well, and I'm going to head into my pocket of joy, enjoying this beautiful beach today and having a swim. Lots of love, everyone.